Hello, dear viewers. I'm Kamrul Hassan from Counsels Law Partners. Counsels Law Partners is a full-service law firm located in Gulshan, Dhaka, Bangladesh. So today's topic is how to register an international NGO in Bangladesh. So what is the NGO? NGO is a non-governmental organization to operate charitable activities in a place or location. So in Bangladesh, there are two types of NGO that can be registered. One is the local NGO and another is an international NGO. The matter is an international NGO need to be registered with NGOAB. What is an NGOAB? NGOAB means Non-Governmental Organization Affairs Bureau. It is the parent organization of Bangladesh government to regulate and give registration to the international NGOs. Now, this process is a very complex and time-consuming. Under this process, there is several documents that is required from an organization. When an international NGO want to operate its charitable activities in Bangladesh, they need to set their mind first, and then they need to prepare several documents. These documents including, but not limited to, the application form, which is called the FD1 form. This form can be collected from the NGOAB, and then the certificate of incorporation will be required, where the parent NGO is registered. Then the activities report is required to make the application, along with the plan of operation of the NGO. In addition to this, the decisions of the committee or NGO need to be submitted to the NGOAB, and the letter of appointment of the country representative will be required. If the parent organization can gather all these documents, then we can say that the organization is prepared to make the application. But when the applicant want to apply, they need to give the government fee along with the application and all the documents. This government fee is actually USD 9,000 or equivalent Bangladeshi taka that need to be submitted through a bank challan to the NGOAB. After making the application, the NGOAB will initially scrutinize the documents, which is the primary scrutinization process. After scrutinization, the NGOAB will forward the application to the relevant ministries. In this case, they can send one or two ministries or whatever they want to send. The most important thing is they will send the application to the Ministry of Home Affairs. The Ministry of Home Affairs, then after preliminary scrutinization, they will send the application to the security agencies. These security agencies including the special branch of Bangladesh Police as well as to the National Security Intelligence to verify the documents and the activities of the organization for further proceedings. If the security intelligence, they find the activities and the documents are correct and okay, then they will issue a positive report. If the reports come positive, then they will send it to the Ministry of Home Affairs, and then the Ministry of Home Affairs will forward the report to the NGOAB. After receiving the positive report, NGOAB will do their final scrutinization, and then they will issue the certificate of incorporation. Now, this procedure generally, as per the law, it will take 90 days. But in our practice, we see that in practice, this time take much longer, like 6 to 7 months at least. But the whole process will depend on like the documentation, availability of documentation, and other relevant issues. So, when the NGOAB will approve the application, they will generally issue the certificate of incorporation for 10 years. After the 10 years, the applicant can apply for the renewal. So, Another thing is very important to keep in mind that all the documents need to be signed or attested by the Bangladeshi embassy of the parent organization, because otherwise these documents may not be considered by the NGOAB for further proceedings. As a legal professional, we generally suggest our clients that this process is very complex and time consuming. That's why an expert can assist the client throughout the process to complete the registration. So as an expert, we can assist you. If you need any assistance, you can call us on the number showing in this screen, or you can send us an email in info@counselslaw.com. Thank you very much.